Welcome to the Social Intelligence Channel. Today, we're exploring how to make decisions from a place of wisdom. Ready to transform your life? Let's dive in. Tip 1. Reflect on past experiences. Learn from your successes and mistakes. Tip 2. Seek advice from trusted mentors. Their insights can guide you. Tip 3. Consider long-term consequences. Think beyond the immediate future. Tip 4. Stay calm and composed. Emotional decisions can lead to regrets. Tip 5. Gather all relevant information. Make informed choices. Tip 6. Trust your intuition. Sometimes, your gut feeling is right. Tip 7. Evaluate pros and cons. Weigh the benefits and drawbacks. Tip 8. Be patient. Rushed decisions can lead to mistakes. Tip 9. Stay true to your values. Align decisions with your core beliefs. Tip 10. Consider multiple perspectives. Look at the situation from different angles. Tip 11. Avoid overthinking. Sometimes, simplicity is key. Tip 12. Learn from others' experiences. Read books or watch videos on decision-making. Tip 13. Stay flexible. Be open to changing your mind if new information arises. Tip 14. Practice mindfulness. Stay present and focused. Tip 15. Set clear goals. Know what you want to achieve. Tip 16. Take responsibility. Own your decisions and their outcomes. Tip 17. Celebrate your successes. Acknowledge your wise decisions. Remember, wise decision-making is a skill that can be developed. Keep practicing and you'll see amazing results. If you found these tips helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content.